channel. Yes, We Cheesecake by Inawera. I actually got in 10 more flavors from Inawera, which is pretty awesome. I'll give you a quick look of them there. Cucumber, Cake Emperor, Jungle Frost, Tango or Mango Tango, Sesame, and I got Sesame too also. Okay, then we've got Wonder Waffle and Walnut. Looking forward to trying that one. And Yes, We Cheesecake. Now check this one out. And these are smoked plums. I love plums, and smoked plums just sounded cool, so I got it. But today we're doing Yes, We Cheesecake. So remember when I said I was changing up my whole how I was going to do my flavors? I was going to do one at a time. Still, I don't think I'm going to do it that way. I think I will for some flavors, but not for everything. Because some of them go really well together, and why not review it together? If you feel me. If you know what I'm saying. Oh my god, I'm saying, you feel me? Like, a lot. I've been saying that a lot lately because of my nephew. He's 12. And, yeah, that's what the kids are saying nowadays. Oh, man. Anywho, okay, so I've already tasted it in this setup here. Alright. So, anywho, yeah, I already tested it in this. So I knew I liked it. So, I'm using the Reaper by Boomstick. It's an 18mm dripper, and the flavor on this is friggin' spectacular. And the cotton, I hardly need any cotton at all, and it's very easy to wick, and so I use it for testing also. Where's our cheesecake? Yeah, here we go. Bing bang. So I'm gonna go and vape this stuff, get a feel for it, and I'll be back. It smells fabulous, you guys. Fabulous. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Friggin' yeah. Wow. I'm impressed. Wow. Just wow, that's good. When you're testing, I would personally test at a mouth to lung level, and then also a direct lung. That way you can see how a flavor stands up to heat. And I can tell you now that this is definitely better on a lower heat. In my opinion. Do like this flavor better on lower heat and a tighter draw. cinnamon. You're not gonna taste cinnamon. Oh, and I thank God for that, because I dislike cinnamon very much, especially in a vape. Cinnamon shouldn't be vaped. Teasing, okay? Not really. Here we go the next day, my friends, with Yes We Cheesecake by Inawera. It's a spectacular cheesecake. I love it. You get cheesecake way up front with the mouthfeel, and hidden inside of there, as if I was eating it, is a graham cracker crust. And it's good, man. Yeah, Yes We Cheesecake. It's 2 thumbs up and a must in any dessert stash. Definitely. Now let's try it in a little bitty recipe I just mixed up. I used Yes We Cheesecake, Tyrone and Marzipan by Flavor Art, and Banana Pudding by One on One. I'm actually interested to find out how that banana goes in a recipe. Wow. Yeah, not bad. That's actually pretty good. I think it also... let's try it. Let's try some mango. Tango, mango, tango. This is by Inawera. Wow. Wow. Well, I like that. Nice. Okay. Well, it works good in a recipe. So does the mango tango. This is Dan the Man signing out. Peace.